The instructional video you are about to see will show you how to retrofit a 2-foot U-bend or any other 2-foot tube to always earth-friendly DirectConnect LED linear lights.
We start our installation by turning the power off to the unit from the breaker and opening up the 2-foot bay. We can now remove the 2-foot U-bend fluorescent bulbs. When removing these bulbs, please take your time and be careful. Please make sure that you properly dispose of the bulbs. If you are interested in becoming a reseller for Always Earth Friendly, please contact us at www.alwaysearthfriendly.com and click on the Contact Us page. We can now remove the ballast cover. We will disconnect the line voltage coming into the fixture by removing the wire nuts from both the hot and the neutral wires. This will completely bypass the ballast. You can now connect our power whip to the line voltage coming into the fixture. Just a reminder that the power whip does not contain polarity. Therefore, it does not matter which wire is connected to hot or neutral of the line voltage coming into the fixture. The wires that are attached to the ballast should be cut off or wing nutted. It is to the discretion of the installer their preference of organizing those ballast wires. Once the wire nuts are in place, we can push our power whip up. On this installation, we will feed the power whip through our ballast cover, and then we will put our ballast cover back in place. Once in place, we will now connect our first Always Earth-Friendly DirectConnect LED linear light to the power whip and then magnetize the LED to the fixture.
Before connecting our always earth-friendly DirectConnect LED linear light, we attach the jumper whip. From the picture you can see how secure the jumper whip attaches to that linear light. We can now connect the other end of the jumper whip to the second always earth-friendly DirectConnect LED linear light and magnetize it to the fixture. We can now close our 2-foot bay and turn the power on. Please subscribe and watch for more great installation videos to come.